case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 2000 Supreme Court of Appeals of West Virginia case, Aikens v. Debow, the court examined the recoverability of economic damages in negligence cases where there is no physical harm or direct contractual relation with the wrongdoer. The lawsuit was initiated by Richard Aikens, the owner of a motel and restaurant, suing Robert Debow and Craig Paving Inc. for economic losses he suffered when a truck carrying a track hoe caused damage to a nearby bridge, leading to decreased revenue for his establishment. The case centered around the concept that recovery for economic damages is only allowed if it was foreseeable, and if there was a special relationship between the plaintiff and the defendant. Despite the defendants arguing that Aikens could not recover economic losses without physical injury or property damage, the circuit court allowed the case to proceed to a jury. The Supreme Court held that policy considerations, such as the likelihood of injury and the burden of guarding against it, were crucial in determining an actor's scope of duty. The court denied recovery for economic damages in cases where there was no physical harm caused and where the negligence was deemed too remote. Exceptions to this general rule were required to allow for recovery, and the matter of restricting tort liability for purely economic damages was determined to be a question of public policy. By doing so, the court aimed to strike a balance that avoided defining an overly broad duty, which could lead to complex class action lawsuits resulting from citizens' inconveniences.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.